Remember, with conjugates, only got to multiply the first terms and the last terms together, so that would give us 1 minus red 3 times red 3 is just 3. So 1 minus 3 would be -2. Okay, so now we're looking at our product formula, so that means -2 equals C over A. Okay, so we're going to use the fact that -b over A equals 2 and C over A equals -2 to identify our A, B, and C. So because 2 equals -b over A and -2 equals C over A has to be 1. There's no denominator in each of these. Our B value, well, we know -b equals 2, so B has to equal -2. And C has to also equal -2. Okay, so now that we have all these numbers, we can rewrite our 2 of these roots as a quadratic factor. So what I mean by that is we're going to put these as a quadratic factor in the form like x squared, ax squared plus bx plus c. So this means that the quadratic factor would be x squared, 1x squared, minus 2x, minus 2. So there's our quadratic factor. We also know that we had a x equals 1 root, so that means the factor would be x minus 1, the opposite sign there. And that would be, we don't know our coefficient yet, so I'm just going to leave an a there for now, and then that would equal our f of x, okay? So here's our equation. The only thing that's missing is that a value here, and we are going to use the fact that it also passes through the point 0, -16. So I'm going to plug in -16 for y, and I'm going to plug in 0 for x. Okay, so this is going to leave us with -2, -1 here. Okay, so this is going to become -16 equals 2a, dividing by 2, we get -8 equals a. Okay, so now that we have our a value, we can go back to this equation here and plug in everything. So we have f of x equals, our a is -8, x squared minus 2x minus 2 times x minus 1. So here's a way to get the equation from all that given information we had.